Hey guys, today's video is going to be my August Boxycharm unboxing. I just got my box today. I usually don't get my box this late. What is the date today? Today's the 17th. Yeah, I usually don't get my box this late. I guess they had shipping issues with, you know, COVID, that mother effer that's still hanging around. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is the best monthly subscription service in my opinion. I've been getting it for 6 years. Actually, 6 years this month. I'll have a link to Boxycharm down below and I will link my Boxycharm playlist. First, I like that they put this in there now. Just a reminder to stay compliant, and if you get Boxycharm for free, let people know. You guys know I've been getting this box for free for 6 years now. Some people are shady about it and they don't disclose it. So the theme for this month, it says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. I got variation 14. My box, you guys always ask the weight of the box. I don't think it says it on the shipping label anymore. It doesn't. I'll have to look. Oh wait, maybe it does. Nope, it doesn't. I'll have to look in my email and I will put it on the screen somewhere. First thing in the box is from QMS Medi Cosmetics. This is the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Retails for $105. Lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. Helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing, even skin. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint and a hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. Okay. Next, we have some brushes. Choking on my hair. We have some brushes from Morphe. This is the I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection. Retails for $12. Oh, these babes, just the 4 natural and synthetic brushes you need to pull. Sorry, that voice is really annoying. You need to pull off all of the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a sweep. So it comes with an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush. I have so many brushes. I'm probably gonna give these away. I don't need any more brushes. I don't. Okay, next, what are you? Rakuten, big fat liner. Rakuten Cosmetics, never heard of them before. This is the big fat liner, retails for $25. It's a felt tip kohl marker pen. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand before. I have a problem paying $25 for a brand that I've never heard of. You know, we'll try it out. It's a black liner, a big black liner. I gotta keep track of the time because Brady is driving again today. Started driver's ed last week. Today will be his second day driving. Now my camera will not focus on. There we go. You know, I'll try it. Not too excited about it. All right, next we have something from Milk Makeup. This is the cooling water eye patches. A set of cooling depuffing gel patches packed with energizing caffeine and soothing seawater. Retails for $22. I'm actually really excited about these. How many are in here? 6 pairs. I'm really excited about these. Probably my favorite thing so far. All right, and then we have a palette. That's upside down. Oh, and I dropped the card. Hold on. You know how hard it is to bend over when you get a big pregnant belly? Okay. This is from Butter London. This is the Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Retails for $28. It's a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile, cool toned. All right. So the back looks like. Well, this is what it looks like. And you open it up. Looking good, darling. There's a mirror. I won't blind you. Oh, the little plastic thing came off. But those colors are really pretty. Oh, okay. Just take the plastic thing off, Vanessa. Those are really pretty colors. Okay, so my thoughts on this box. You know, it was all right. I'm excited for this palette. I'm definitely excited for the little eye patches. I think I'm gonna use these tonight, actually. What was that? Brushes, you know, like I said, I have a million zillion. This guy, I'll try it out. But I have so many black eyeliners that I like that are not $25. So, you know, I'll try it. And then this expensive ass thing. You know, I'll try it out. A lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. What kind of vitamins? Tell me what vitamins. Abilene wants to know too. Do you hear that? She wants to know what kind of vitamins too. Yeah, I'll try it out. I hope I don't like it because it's $105 and I don't really want to spend $105 on a day cream. A day cream, what am I, 85? Okay, so that is it for this unboxing. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. Again, I'll have my Boxycharm playlist linked down below. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.